make the profession.
Alright, what's going on YouTube fam? Welcome back to the stream, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another London session. Let me just make sure we're all on here. Let me make sure we got this on. Yeah, cool. I think we're on. Yeah, good to have you guys back on stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Back for another session. Liquidity levels yesterday got absolutely smashed. So if you guys did catch the liquidity levels from yesterday's stream, you would have made like over 100 ticks yesterday. Pretty impressive from a YouTube stream. Some very, very nice calls. Very, very nice calls. What's going on, Riley? What's going on? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back. Welcome back. We'll get started in a second, guys. Just chatting to the guys in Discord. What time is it? We got like 5 more minutes. 5 minutes. And then we'll get started in a second. I'll let the Zoom guys in soon as well. Let's check. Let me quickly check the news for the day. I think we got some US news later on. Yeah, so you got core PPI today. Not until pre-New York, which is probably going to be pretty volatile. And then you got CPI tomorrow as well. So you got a lot coming up this week. A lot. I had a nice little 40 tick day yesterday on gold. Had some very, very nice plays. Some very simple plays, but some very nice plays. What time is it? Yeah, we'll wait 5 more minutes. We'll let a few more people on YouTube join in as well. And then once we get this hourly close, we'll get started in a second. Sneeze, I did this window. Oh man, it's hot. Let me open this a little bit. There's some fresh air in it. There we go. Alright, where is everyone? Let me just post in that we are that we're live. And we'll get this underway in a second. Let me update the journal. Do you check the phone during the day for trades, or is it only Asia and London? No, I don't trade off my phone. I don't even have an app to trade off my phone. But yeah, like sometimes I'll have a quick look at TradingView on my phone, just see how like the 30 and 15 minutes forming. But I've not even really traded Asia recently. I've been taking a break from Asia, but yeah, maybe trading London session and like a little bit of pre-New York as well. But I'm not like, sat like this watching it like 24/7. I'll pretty much, man, just trade this London session, set some alerts, and if alerts go off, then amazing, I'll take a trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest, man. I trade for like maybe 2-3 hours a day max, and that's about it. But yeah, like in terms of actually taking a trade off my phone now, I haven't taken a trade off my phone in a very, very long time. Like I say, I don't even have any apps to be able to even take a trade off my phone, which I think is pretty important. It's good to not do that. Alright, let me let Zoom guys in. Let me let the guys in here. Let me see here. What time is it? Oh, wait, a couple more minutes. Alright, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let me make sure I'm on properly here. I don't think I am. Alright, there you go. You guys should be able to hear me now. Cool. I'm on maybe on Zoom in 20 to finish up the gym. Yeah, all good, Harry, man. See you on Zoom soon, man. Here he is. Here's Mr. Thailand. Alright, YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. We'll start sharing the screen now.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Right?
Yeah, good man, you?
Yeah, happy.
Good man. We just had the same analysis drawn up on Goldie.
Yeah. Did you take it?
No, I didn't take it, man. I just had it drawn up. I would have been break even on it though. I was looking for the 15 flip because the 15 gave an instant top wick pretty nicely.
Bullish engulfing as well. The bearish engulfing on the prior one.
Yeah, the reason I didn't take it is because the 30 support's pretty ugly. I probably want a 30 closure.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. It would have been a worthwhile trade, to be honest.
No, I only got like 1-1 on it.
No, that's good, man. Oh, you got the longs yesterday, didn't you? Didn't get a little bounce from here?
Yeah, but I got stopped at break even.
That was good, man.
Mate, it went up and down like mad yesterday. You really couldn't do anything. Like you had to. London with the best move, and then US were just sideways.
Yeah, I didn't watch it. I looked this morning. Yeah, it kind of messed around a lot. Grabbed the lows, broke back above, back below, broke back above here. You would have hit like 30 ticks of drawdown before then hitting full TP. Yeah.
The late US when it actually moved. So.
Yeah, it was like 4 o'clock long time. Yeah, the cleanest entry was on the 15. What was it? Here, after this grab these little 15-minute lows to re-grab the highs. It's probably the nicest entry.
I closed after I got tapped to break even twice.
Yeah, it fucking messed around a lot.
I saw that exact same thing though. I took the lows and then you could have had a buy stop really, couldn't you?
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, even just buying off this level. I mean, even from here, like buying off this level, like here to here, it's still like 20 ticks, which is great. Take that and run. Even here, break back above, longs up into the highs, 25. And then all of these liquidity plays got absolutely hit yesterday. So,
Hey man,
hey man, how's it going?
good.
Let's add this.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure, man.
Like, what do you usually do when you feel out of the sync from the markets?
Uh, just take a break. To be honest, man, not much really. Just take a step back and come back the next day. Remember, like the markets are going nowhere, man.
Yeah,
Charts are going nowhere. So
it's not about the losses. Like, I'm not something sad about loss or something, but I'm just not feeling the sync of the market right now.
yeah, probably just take a step back for a few days, man. Just take a break. Like just trade London this morning. I literally just close the laptop and don't even watch it.
Yeah, since we also have FOMC today.
Yeah, some big news today. Like for me, like me yesterday is the first time I jumped on the charts yesterday since like last Thursday. So I didn't check the charts Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So I had like 4 days just completely off the charts. Whereas I think most people would still be watching it. Whereas like for me, it's like now just if I'm not on the charts, I'm not on the charts.
Yeah.
So I don't really get burnt out that much. But yeah, if you feel it's not like it's completely normal to feel out of sync sometimes, you just have to just take a step back and know that the markets are going absolutely nowhere.
Yeah, it's just the cycles.
Yeah, definitely, man.
I took a long yesterday, just got out at like -3 pips.
Minus 3 pips is good, man. Yeah, it looked like it messed around. I didn't watch New York, but it messed
Almost
around.
the same place as Joe.
Yeah, from around here.
It was on the 5 minute.
Yeah. Angel, what's going on, man? What's going on? Yeah, it was nice buys like here.
Yeah, I'll mark it up. Just
Yeah, some nice trendline liquidity coming down there as well.
yeah. So since I took an entry on the break of this side, because we also grabbed the lows here, and there was a big trend line coming down. Like, so we also grabbed the lows, closed extremely bullish,
Yeah.
and took the high. But since there was no volume, I cut it at like -3 pips, and since it was New York open, so yeah.
Yeah, it's a good job to cut it, man. Yeah, it's a nice trade though. But it's just very choppy. Very choppy. Alright, let's see what we got going on for today. Let's have a look at the daily close on Goldie. Let's have a look here. So yesterday closed pretty doji. Drew's running. Closed pretty doji after closing bullish on Monday. So yesterday did absolutely nothing. Whilst also coming into this big resistance right here. Remember on this weekly on gold as well, there is no bottom wick. So this could flip bearish at any point. At any point you could see gold flip bearish and come back down into these lows. I think you got some US news today, so when we trade in New York, you got you got PPI today, and then you got CPI and unemployment claims tomorrow. So at any point, gold could find some resistance and start to dip back down, which is pretty important to be wary of. You know, you're at pretty big resistance as well. So you got this big support, and this is probably a big level from back here. So yeah, you're a big level right now, with not a lot of volume in it right now. Yesterday, obviously, you had that nice break above, came back down, retested its levels, nice little bounce there. Just very simple. Break above, retest support, bounced back up like 80 plus ticks. Hourly on gold, yeah, look at that, there's lovely buys there. Let's get rid of this. We've still got this liquidity up here, which may see grabbed. Probably going to be watching maybe this high is a potential level for gold to come and tap into today. But I think you'll probably see it come back down and maybe grab some lows first. From what I'm seeing here, it's not the cleanest right now. I mean, let me just get rid of this. There's no real liquidity levels downside. We do have support there. Let me just get rid of this.
Just wanted to confirm something. Like after resetting the Topstep account, do we have to put in new credentials, or it just goes on same?
I'm I'm not sure, man. I'll run over in a second. I'm just going to finish the analysis.
Yeah, sure.
What's this popping up here for? Yeah, we've got a nice level here. Price broke above it yesterday, bounced off quite nicely. So this is the little Asia bounce today, coming back down. 30-minute on Goldie is doing absolutely nothing right now. You can be very, very careful with looking at this 30 on gold. Kind of trading below this support here. You got this resistance, break above, support, fake out, break above, fake out again. So pretty much this is going to be the range for now on gold.
Wicks are disgusting.
What's that, man?
Those wicks are disgusting.
Yeah, fucking horrible, man. It's like 20 tick wicks, absolutely disgusting. But these are going to be potential liquidity highs today. You got this nice little double top up here, and you've also got this kind of left shoulder, potential left shoulder head, potential right shoulder region around here as well, where you may see gold push up into. And if you get back up into here, then you may see this upper level grabbed as well. I'd probably be watching. I'll be watching this. I wouldn't be looking for a huge move before the news later on. From there to there, you're gonna get like maybe 20 ticks. But as of right now, I will do absolutely nothing until you get this next 30-minute close. Look at that 30-minute. Literally zero volume in the past 1, 2, 3, 3 30-minute candles. So we have to see how this is going to go. Let me just get rid of this. That was the little trade from yesterday.
Those wicks are like, get off the fence, people, make a decision.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So this is gonna be a resistance on gold on the 30. Support is gonna be right there. So from these lows to these highs, you've got 35. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not clean, but it's not bad. It's not gonna have a big push out of nowhere, I don't think. 15 on Goldie. Let's have a look. 15 looking like you may spike down a little bit more. You kind of got this support here. Previous 15 was nice. Previous 15 came up, grabbed previous 15 highs, flipped bearish, but then you also flip bearish into instant support. That's why you're still pushing back up. So gold on the 15 is pretty much just trapped in between this little range like this for now. So if you get a closure out of here, then amazing. So that's going to be the 15 little range that we're stuck in for now. On the 5, I don't really want to do anything nice. On the 5 is pointless. But the 5 does have that double top up there. So anyone who is short here on gold is going to have some stops above here. So it's pretty likely that you're going to see gold come and grab these highs at some point today. Whether we do it now in London or it takes until the news, who knows. But these highs are probably going to be the only real highs of interest right now. There's no real lows to the downside to target. You've already come down. You had to find support. You've then wicked out the lows and tried to push back up. So yeah, probably just got to wait for at least 15 closure here. But right now, gold is doing absolutely nothing. Gold needs way more time. Let's have a look and see how NASDAQ moved yesterday. Where's NASDAQ yesterday? Oh, look at that. Massive run on NASDAQ yesterday. Look at that. Huge run. Massive push. Nicer pushes than gold yesterday. Look at that. Huge. Where's this? The Russell. Yeah, big moves yesterday. First day back, big moves. Let me put the fan on here, it's hot. There was no top wick on that previous 15 on the future chart, so I'm not really looking to jump in anything just yet. Those on the cards, it doesn't matter. Do you have a trend line going on down here? You kind of already grabbed it. Yeah. Yeah, we'll wait for a 15. 15 closure out of this range and you can consider it, but it's going to be very, 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 very tough. Unless you got long of that support. 17 ticks, look at that. Let's see. Did you go exploring yesterday, Joe?
Sorry about what?
Did you go exploring yesterday?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's only so much you can do, really, isn't there?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
In one place, and, you know what I mean?
Yeah, cause
Somebody's got to put her again.
yeah, you should do that, yeah. Cruise up. It's a pretty nice drive.
There's a chiller in here. Like, he don't move.
He doesn't say much, does he?
No, he's chill.
Yeah, it's a nice little drive up though.
Yeah. If I don't get stopped, mate, who care? Like, course moving, no roadblocks here. Oh, mate, everywhere.
Yeah, it's the worst place, yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Like, I think I must have been stopped about 6 times already.
Really?
Yeah, but I've been caught once, and they let me through once without checking me. Obviously, I don't know why, but the other times they stopped me, I got stopped once, I got caught, and then you get like 2 days to pay it, and then 2 days after.
Yeah, it's so
the
bad.
times that I've been stopped, I've got like a receipt, so I'm right for like 4 days.
Are you near
Now,
Patong?
I'm in Katu, which is like 15 minutes away from Patong.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
when you go into like Katu, it's not going to Patong. It's
Yeah.
when you like, go through Patong into like Katu where you get stopped.
Yeah, it's crazy. Any of the tourist areas are literally like, Thailand's the fucking worst for it.
But I think Koh Samui is great. Like last time we were there, I didn't see any.
Nah,
I seen
none.
everywhere here.
Yeah, Phuket's the worst for it, man. It's so bad.
Mm.
Even if you have your international license, they'll still try and get you for something.
Like I had it, but they've stamped the wrong. Well, I haven't got the A1 bike stamp,
Yeah.
so I am actually driving illegally. But
Oh, that's on video as well.
well,
Yeah, send this to the fucking Thai
I've just ordered 4.5 litres of water, some cereal, and some milk. Cost me £3.
Nice.
Delivered to my house.
Yeah, at least 20 in Australia. Are we getting scooters in Bali? Yeah, I reckon, man. I reckon it'd probably be easier, make life easier. Go cruise around some places.
Just save like an extra £200 for fines.
yeah. I reckon Bali's pretty bad for it as well. And I haven't been, but I assume it probably is. Let's see if gold's gonna get a closure here.
To be honest with you, I'm just gonna, after my fine up, I'm literally just gonna, like, you can get an app called Ron told me InDrive, and it's really cheap. Just get on back of someone's bike. It's like £3.
Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah.
So you get on back of someone's bike. So I might just, instead of like risking getting caught, just not drive.
It's just good to be able to drive around. Oh, is that sorry, man?
How come there's roadblocks there?
Because they want money.
Yeah, it's a fucking money making scheme.
Easiest way to make money.
Legit.
Yeah, they pull over fucking tourists like every other second and just make fucking bank on the spot. They don't even really like. It's not like professional. It's like you can pretty much just get cash if you've got it.
Yeah.
It's
It's
like
like-
there one time. You just used to take off on them, like if they try and catch you, you just hit it, and they never end up chasing you because it's not worth their time.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
In this, the immigration officers even do this,
Yeah.
but they are not even afraid of like taking the bribery or something.
No, yeah, they'll take bribery for
They're
sure.
very confident about the system they're working in.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
My luck is I'll drive through the roadblock and then I won't get let back in when I come back from Vietnam. So I was paid fine.
Yeah, Thailand's got so bad for it recently.
Yeah. But I mean, like, they're stopping like 10 people every like 5 minutes, paying £25. It's like £250 every 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous.
I don't know.
Let's quit trading.
Yeah, that's some good returns right there.
Yeah.
No investment. No risk, only returns.
There's some pretty good returns. You just have to double top there.
How do you manage your finances? Like, do you withdraw to your bank account in Thailand or?
No, just use like a Starling account, so you don't get charged on
Yeah.
like when you pay Thai baht, you don't get charged like through like a normal English bank. You get charged for every purchase you make, but over here on Starling you don't. But
Yeah,
in terms
it's
of
good.
that, I've got savings as well, which I use. It's not
You can
all.
use a forex free card. I just got one last a few days back. Like my card doesn't charge for any type of international transactions. It's a 0% markup fee. It just converts into the current going on exchange rate by Visa.
Yeah, it's good.
So
You've
it's
got Revolut right now.
Yeah, he's Revolut, yeah.
yeah, Revolut's good.
Yeah, Revolut's good, man.
Oi, oi.
Hey, man, how's it going?
Okay. You're on, right?
Good job on the funded account, man.
Yeah, boyo.
Good shit, man. Good shit.
Back tomorrow, Jeff.
Yeah, I've been. Some people tried coming in last night, breaking in, but I showed them what was what. It's all under control. The party's tonight, and then when you come back, it'll be all clean.
Oh, yeah. Let's have a party tomorrow.
Do it.
How many nights have you been out, Joe?
Sorry, bro.
How many nights have you been out yet? Many or not?
Just once.
Nice.
But it's all Ron's fault. It's not my fault.
Rob's a bad influence.
But it doesn't take him long. He says, we're going out. Yeah, go on. But I said at first, I will. It was like the second night I was there, so I said, yeah, I will do the second night. But after that week, I'm just chilling now. You know what I mean?
Good man.
You have to do it once, ain't you? You know what I mean? We're here on a trading retreat.
Yeah, it's not. It's just a training retreat, right, Joe?
Oh, where's my guy?
If we can get pullbacks on gold, I would consider longs from here up into this liquidity, and then back up into there. If we can see a little dip lower, can't even really play our C right now. So you probably get 30 closure above this level, and then you want to see 30 come back down and retest this, which would be that same level on the 5. So then you could look for something like this on gold. As long as you don't grab these highs, there's going to be a nice level to buy into here. 15 closed bearish, found support, flip bullish, broke back above this support here. So any retest, you want to be looking to take this higher. Until you close back below this level on gold, you want to keep selling this higher. As long as we get the 30 closure above like 1973.5 is going to be a nice level. You can look for longs on gold, pretty much back all the way up into these highs. You can't really grab the highs. Gentlemen, Gio, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. But yeah, we'll see if London gives some moves today. Like I say, there's big news later on in the US, so whether it does or not, we'll see. I won't be trading New York today. How soon? So we can meet next week. Awesome, man. Awesome. If we're actually Asian. Nah, I kind of took a break from Asian sessions. I was doing Asia, but I kind of stopped it now. It was consuming my life doing Asia and London. London's my main focus. And the zooms are every single day, man. And yeah, the setups are. If you have Discord already, actually message me on Instagram, man, and I can kind of show you more in depth of what's in it, man. But yeah, I share all the setups, share all the liquidity levels. Every single level that I shared yesterday was all shared in the Discord and all got smashed. And every single liquidity play is always shared in Discord, yeah. I'm in Auckland. Good man. Nice, nice, nice.
Hey. Sun's out, guns out. Yes.
Who is this guy? Paying for entry money. Yeah, awesome, man. Be good to have you in. Good to have you in. Not trading here for educational purposes. Having a week and a half break. Good man. Good to have you on stream anyway. Still showing up. Still showing up, man. A break is good. A break is good.
Thought we were too good to be true, to be honest with you.
What's this?
I got some milk and some cereal, but I didn't check the size. Surely it can't be 20p.
That's what you get for getting cereal delivered.
That's a bad thing to do, really. I'm missing home. Ah.
Fucking hell. Let me see if I can. Whilst I wait for Goldie, let me see if I can share this. Will it let me share Discord? I don't think so. Oh. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see the type of analysis that's shared. So this is the levels that were shared yesterday on Goldie. All liquidity levels. And you get all the before and afters. I'm always posting in updates here. Same as here. All liquidity levels as well. All shared prior. Okay. So yeah, there's lots in there, man. Lots in there. Lots of stuff. Lots of daily knowledge, and you know we're active in Discord every single day. You know, you being in Auckland is pretty much a good time session, man. I think a lot of people in this side of the world, which I was saying to Kane today, have the misconception that you need to be staying up till 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. in the morning just to be able to trade, which is absolutely not the case. I don't even trade New York. I don't remember the last time I traded New York. So yeah. Retreat numbers are almost all gone, man. Almost all gone. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think it's like maybe like 2 spots left. 2 spots left on the retreat.
All the bunk beds are gone, right?
I think there's 2 more. I think there's. Let me see. I think there's 2 more. Do you want to give us a quick glance at the secrets if you've got? No. Can't give away them secrets. Nice try though. Nice try.
We love that retreat, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing, man. It's gonna be amazing. I think there's still. Where is it? Yeah, still a couple left. But it's pretty much like any more now is a bonus. We got a decent amount of people coming this time. I fell asleep in a gold trade, woke up 200 down, then went back to sleep, woke up 200 up, close in profit. Perfect trade management. Good man.
How many people we got, man?
Sorry, man.
How many people are coming so far?
About 11, man.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, about 11, which is good, man. It's gonna be a good trip.
Oh yeah, okay, nice.
Yeah, man, can't wait. That's the US session when you're in this part of the world. Yeah, same here in Australia, man. It's still New York for me opens at like 11:30 p.m. When I was in New Zealand last year, yeah, I was sometimes either staying up till like 3 a.m. or waking up at like 4 to try and trade PM session, but it's not sustainable and it's also not necessary. It's really not necessary. You can catch 15, 20 ticks on gold in pretty much any session at any time of the day.
I wish I realised that 9 months ago. The New York session ruined my life this year.
Yeah, it's horrible, man. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
No, so
No, what was Asia today? What did Asia do today? 10. Asia was very slow.
It's looking like chop off, didn't it? Fuck off to the gym.
Oh man, it's not looking great so far. You got a lot of news later on as well, so I'm wondering if London's going to chop until then. I hope not, but it wouldn't surprise me, to be honest. Might not properly move until US. Only real place I can see for a trade right now is if we can come back down to here.
Yeah, he grabbed them lows as well, didn't he, on the 15?
Yeah, really well. Bounced off quite nice. Yeah, longs from there would have been very nice. 20 ticks. 20 ticks, pretty easy scalp. You can see, like, look at that how strong that 30 support is. You just buy gold when it comes into that support, you're already up 20 ticks for the day. That's just a very, very simple support level. Or are you going to grab the highs there on Goldie? 3 minutes till this 30 is going to close. 30 is looking like it's probably going to close above here. We'll wait for the closure, but still, as long as this 30 closes above on gold, any bottom wicks, you still may take this higher. I don't think it's going to be a plain sailing move, but it's still got potential. Come on, London. Keen to start learning from these lives. Yeah, good man, Nathan. Plenty to come, man. Plenty to come. Always some wisdom shared in all of them, man. We can get some movement, we may even get a trade. But this thing needs to wake up a lot more than this. If anyone wants me to look over anything else whilst we're waiting here, please feel free to shout over. It doesn't have to be futures. If you want to look at currencies, whatever, let me know. We can also wait for gold to do something. We can analyze anything you guys want.
Cattle.
Cattle, yeah, no worries, man. Let's have a look at the cattle. We'll have a look at the live cattle futures. See what's going on here. S&P long term. Yeah, let's have a look, man. Look at the big tech charts. Cattle's looking nice, man. You may get a nice little breakout soon. It's a pretty nice uptrend, to be honest. Any little breakouts, you may see is higher. Okay, on that, man. S&P long term, though. Yeah, good shout. Let's have a look at. I'll do it on the US 500 charts. So we can get all the data. XRP. Yeah, we can have a look at XRP. S&P long term, I think it's probably gonna have a nice bounce higher soon. You know, monthly did close bearish, and people were talking about this market crash, which I think is bullshit. You're not gonna get like a crash on S&P until you get like, you know, strong closures below anywhere below like 42, 4,200. Overall, I think, you know, you're probably gonna see it just continue pushing higher. You kind of had the big correction there, continue pushing higher. Still kind of correcting down though. I think you've had we got a breakout here, or you're about to bounce off. All right, see you later. What was that about? Got a trend line coming up like this, which are kind of actually kind of bouncing off pretty nicely. Trading above long-term moving averages as well. So I think long term you probably keep pushing higher. You know, the weekly on S&P has come down, found support, wicked out all of these lows, and now having a nice bounce. So yeah, to me, there's no reason to not see S&P continue pushing higher on a longer term perspective, man. You know, daily could easily, you know, pull back some more, but yeah, overall, unless you close below this trend line, to me, I see no reason for it to keep pushing up. I see no reason for it not to keep pushing up, sorry. And then before you know it, you'll be all the way back at this resistance. And if you break back above this, you'll see all-time highs pretty soon. But if you do break this trend line, then you know that'll be a whole different story. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for now, yeah, it's looking pretty good. You know, I mean, you could argue that, you know, you've had a strong push down here. Is this just a little correction to keep pushing down? Maybe, but there's no real reason to say so just yet. Unless this weekly closes back bearish, and, you know, at any point on the S&P long term, if you get closures below this low, body closure below this low, then yeah, sure, you know, you may see some longer term moves down, and that could start a bigger correction. But as it stands right now, yeah, I think you keep pushing high, man. XRP.
What does gold move like when we're in like a proper bull market? Have you traded? Did you trade it like a couple of years ago when we had that mad bull market?
No, I traded. I tried to start to trade gold, mostly during. Let's have a look here. Like beginning of COVID times, where I started to trade gold more. So we go daily, and there were some insane moves in them times as well. But no, yeah, it's had this insane run. You kind of been in this huge range since like start of 2020. And that's kind of when I started to trade it more. Up until this, gold in this run was literally so clean, just huge runs. But yeah, I started to trade gold more around these regions. But yeah, when there's like, you know, when was the start of COVID? It started to pump up and then it dropped quite a lot. So the start of it was 2020. Yeah, well, yeah, back down here, yeah. So I was trading it way before then. So like even all the way back down at these levels, you saw these huge runs on gold. And when you have gold run like that, when there's so much uncertainty, people just flood their money into gold. It just absolutely runs. Some of my best trades on gold were during the COVID times. Absolutely huge positions. XRP, let's take a look. This will be interesting.
Buy the dip. That's all you need to do.
Buy the dip. Is that financial advice?
No.
Let me do it on this chart. Go on. Bitcoin, yeah, I've looked at Bitcoin as well, man. XRP's still dipping lower. XRP's had a lovely push down after grabbing this little double top here. After grab that little double top, you saw XRP dip back down like, you know, minus 50%. And you're trying to break out of this trend line. So you've broken out this little trend line here, you know, you're still came back up, retested 55 cent and dropping lower. So you're pretty much just trapped between 45 and 55 at the minute. You get any closures below 45, then you could see 30 coming pretty quick, I think. But personally, it wouldn't surprise me if you start to see pullbacks into like 70. And then you see everyone talking about, oh my god, XRP's back alive, court case, blah blah, whatever. And then before you know it, you could easily be back down here. I think if you're going to have a move back down to like 30 cent, you're going to need to come and grab some more liquidity. And I think 70 cent, if you just look left, there's a pretty nice level to do that. Something like this, you know, you tap into 70 cent and you just absolutely drop. Where's that level just gone? Let me put it on here. Yeah, pull back up into like anywhere from like 65 to 70 is going to be a pretty nice level where you could see XRP probably pull back to before dipping back down into like the 30 regions, I think. Bitcoin, I haven't looked at Bitcoin in ages. Let's have a look. Who's in control? Bitcoin's had a huge. If you just broke, I think you just broken this trend line as well. Seen another breakout here. Yeah, I mean same as Bitcoin, I think, really, man. It's not doing anything. It's pretty much trapped between 30,000 and 25,000, and that's pretty much it. I think you'll probably see, if you're going to see a dip lower on Bitcoin, you'll probably see it pull back up to these levels before doing something like that. But yeah, for time being, it's pretty much just trapped in between these levels on a longer term outlook. I do think you're going to see it dip lower. Maybe see Bitcoin back down like 15,000 at some point. You could easily see it. You may pull back up a little bit more first. Kind of got a little upper trend line coming up here. Could you see it pull back into these regions before that big dip low? Yeah, possible. Bring in more retailers into the markets, and you could see it dip back down. This is fucking trash.
The Goldie liquidated the lows and then.
Oh, there you go. There's the push. If anyone got that, that's the level right there. 15.
I'm looking at that again, but I didn't.
Tapped into that 15 level pretty nicely there. If anyone got that, let me get the gold chart up here.
It's just too choppy to be long in.
Let me see, 5. Oh, there you go. Look at that look at that instant bounce off that level. What's that? 15 pips, yeah. Pretty messy, but yeah, it did just hit. But it's very, very choppy.
See that next one, the next double top getting hit there.
Yeah, I think so, man. If you get some closures, yeah. I just want some closures, some good volume. I think it might take until that news later on for the upper levels to get a hit. But they're going to be pretty nice. You just wicked out that little level, which is quite nice. Bull Run 2024. Yeah, I don't know about that. And there you go, there's a very quick little 15 tick bounce there. Just shows how easy it is to get 10-15 ticks on gold. You could have had it right there. We'll have a look at pound futures. Bitcoin to 1 million, bro. What have you done? Bitcoin to 1 million. You heard it here first. Bitcoin to 1 million. Easy money. Easy money. Let me just turn this down a little bit. I've looked at pound futures as well. Let's just have a look here. Let me see pound futures daily. Pretty choppy. All markets are looking very, very choppy right now. Pound futures looking like it might be time for have a dip lower. Looks like it's been correcting up pretty well. Maybe time for it to start to pull back a little bit. Oh, look at that push on Goldie. If anyone did get that, good job. That's literally the level right there. Absolute precision. 15 pips. 15 pips, in and out. Job done. 30 closed bullish. You got that instant bottom wick, re-broke the highs, pushing up. I was too busy looking at XRP, but there's a lovely push. Lovely, lovely push. Probably gonna come for, yeah, it may actually come for them highs now. They're not too far away. Too zoomed out, you know, from here to here is like 13 pips, which is how tight of a how tight of a range it is on gold right now. That's the main upper level up there. But yeah, you'll probably see this little double top get hit pretty quick. But it's very, very choppy. Let's have a look at, actually, I'm not really trading anymore. Let me look at GJ. GJ gapped down on Monday as well, pulling back. How did GJ close in the weekly? Yeah, huge wick off that support. Look at that. Huge wick off the support, bouncing higher. 200 pips already. Look at that, huge. Time is it? 22. It's not even London Open yet. There's a very nice little push there. There's a very simple left shoulder. There's the head. There's the right shoulder. And there's the push. Very, very simple play. You got 30 closure above as well, which is amazing. 15 bottom wick. Grab in the previous 15 lows. And there's your 20 pips for the day. Right there. Let me close this blind as well. Have a look at NASDAQ. Look how choppy NASDAQ is. I think it's seen NASDAQ push a little bit higher today. You got these highs up here to be grabbed on NAS. I think you probably see a nice push up into that. Grab previous day lows and push. There you go. There's Goldie grabbing that double top now. 25 ticks. FOMC today, I'm probably sitting out for the day. London might be slow for the peso trade. Yeah, it could be pretty choppy, man. I expect it to be pretty choppy. There's having some nice moves now though, but yeah, I'm not really expecting too much here. I won't be trading after London today. Is it FOMC? Yeah, FOMC today, 4 AM. Yeah, where we? Yeah, you gotta be very careful trading today. And then tomorrow you got CPI and unemployment claims as well, which is huge. There you go. Look at that push, grabbing all highs there on Goldie. Absolutely smashing all highs. What you got? 35 ticks. What push? Yeah, lovely push, man. Huge push. Simple levels again. Literally the absolute precision of that level. Just this very simple level of support. As you break above it, liquidity to the highs, liquidity to here. There's your direction. And that's it done. That's the range done. 36 ticks in 10 minutes.
That level's the opening print as well.
Yeah. Yeah. 30 broke above. Bottom wick. Retest. Boom. Job done. I didn't even realize it was FOMC today. Yeah, look at that Angel. Yeah, it's lovely, man. Look how simple that is, man. Yeah, that's that level I was talking about as well. Yeah, buys off that support there. I think that's where you've got it at like 5. Yeah, off there. 40 ticks up into the highs, man. Very, very simple support. You need to be a crazy technical analysis to see its level of support. Buy off it and see how it reacts. Incredible push. Every single time it's tapped into that level, it's pushed massively. Every single time. You got at least 15 tick bounce every single time. And that was that 30 support right there, yeah. Look at that. You got 50. Like I say, that shows